You might have a post in Facebook that's public, but you do not want anyone to just simply comment into your Facebook post. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can limit who can comment on your Facebook public post. Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can limit who can comment on your Facebook public post. Let's go. First of all, open up your Facebook app, click on the top left, the 3 lines, scroll all the way down, go to settings and privacy, click on that, click on settings, and then scroll down all the way. You should be able to see audience and visibility. You should be able to see followers and public content. Click on that. You can see who can comment on your public posts. So you can limit this to only friends or friends of friends or public. Now for me, I want people to comment because I want to see who's following me. But if you do not want people to comment on your public posts, you can just limit it to friends or friends of friends. So yeah, so that's how you can limit who can comment on your Facebook public posts. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.